Kani gadega Pati CTV.
Kakanhon jengki director but producer ki basna film kasi hakni ga jalla mentakasngi karfu artarek na iwe kila penmana pakila da banthau si sundan da ka films television producers guild Meghalaya na ka bantawan pej patban kami na ka banta ka bha kamiat jengki noksna film bat kiwe habai kendo bat kilat patai kubor la yathu pakani ka kanhon kadana po ka jingilam jong ba Pradeep Kurba kumu chairman general secretary ba Justice Marwin assistant secretary ba Krabok Soklet treasurer ba Pantailang Nongsteng joint secretary ba Kitbok Lang Karmalki office secretary John Nongrum public relations secretary ba Hilar Kharbikhiu.
Because there are lots of problems which we are going through right now as film producers. Take for instance the censor board problems which most of the producers are facing. They are not aware about the procedure about how the films is getting censored. So me being a filmmaker who's been in this field from like almost 20 years, I thought I should take up this step, to lead them, guide them, the actual the ways, how films are being done. And plus we are looking into this aspects also, through this association we'll try try to come out with films which can be taken places, not only films stick to this region now. So coming out of this association, we are thinking of having workshops in acting, having workshops on the different aspects of filmmaking. But yes, we are looking for people to come on board as producers who are passionate for filmmaking, just not for the heck of coming on board with us, just to be a member. So that's the whole thing. This is the starting point. Let's see. We don't know how it goes ahead.
Kani gadega Pati CTV.